Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today we're going to explore some truly remarkable accounts, stories that have resonated with people for centuries and continue to inspire awe and wonder. We're talking about moments where the impossible seemed to become possible, moments that speak to a profound power and compassion. Think about the story of Jesus turning water into wine at a wedding feast. It wasn't just about providing a drink. It was about transforming scarcity into abundance, about bringing joy and celebration to a gathering that was facing a potential embarrassment. It's a beautiful illustration of generosity and the ability to elevate ordinary circumstances into something extraordinary. Then there are the accounts of open blind eyes. Imagine the sheer, life-altering impact of seeing the world for the first time, of recognizing loved ones, of experiencing the vibrant colors and intricate details of creation. These weren't just physical healings. They were restorations of dignity, of connection, and of the ability to fully participate in life. And the healing of the sick, countless stories of individuals who were suffering, who were marginalized by their ailments, finding relief and renewed health. This speaks to a deep empathy, a desire to alleviate suffering and to restore well-being. It's a powerful reminder of the importance of compassion and care for those who are struggling. Perhaps the most astonishing accounts are those of raising the dead. These are moments that defy our understanding of life and death, moments that suggest a power that transcends the natural order. When we hear these stories, it's natural to feel a sense of profound hope and to contemplate the mysteries of existence. These narratives aren't just historical records. They are powerful testaments to the potential for transformation and renewal. What these accounts collectively suggest is a force that is not only capable of incredible feats, but is also deeply invested in the well-being and flourishing of humanity. They invite us to consider the possibilities that lie beyond our everyday experiences, to open our minds to the extraordinary, and to reflect on the impact of profound acts of kindness and restoration. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope these stories have sparked some thought and perhaps even a sense of wonder. If you found this discussion engaging, please consider following for more explorations into fascinating topics.